What is up, fellow fun havers? We're out here in Winchester Bay, Oregon for Dune Fest, and we brought a couple of cool vehicles with us. We have the Fox Factory Silverado, planning to set that thing up with some paddle tires for the first time. And we brought El Bandito. We've got Lauren Healy and Vaughn Gittin Jr. with us, a bunch of other friends. We're gonna go out and have some fun. Let's see what we can get into.
Bunch of girls trying to have fun! I still don't understand how they let us do this. This is insane.
I'm excited. As you should be.
Big motor makes it so much nicer.
Oh, this whole thing is working as a package.
No. Paddles are sick.
This thing's great. This thing's so great.
Come on, mother.
Neither do we.
Nope.
Did Chris do it?
We'll go the other way.
I think.
Watch out for the Jeep.
Ah! It's Fox Chevy. I've driven it once before in Vegas, and that was really cool. It's kind of more my realm in the hard pack than the dirt, and like the Vegas desert type stuff. But I haven't been to the sand dunes since I was a little kid, and I'm having as much fun as I did when I was a little kid. It's got enough horsepower, it's got enough wheel travel, it's got some really cool tires on it right now. So we're just kind of ripping around, like I said, some kids in the sand dunes having a good time.
Just a bunch of girls trying to have fun.
Y'all want to see a stunt? Yeah! It's big, dude. Oh, we start doubling up, then we're in trouble.
There's the GoPro. Dude, this thing's. I feel like a broken record, but I'm just very happy.
Oh, it's a leg! Lauren's just testing out some jumps. It's like a fun jump, and I was like, does it?
It just makes me fun.
Does it look like a fun jump? Oh, God damn. It's too steep. Yeah. I was hoping there's like enough downhill on it that it'd be fun, but it's not. Well, yeah, I think let's just go find another spot.
Everything looks real flowy.
Oh, yeah, closer to the water?
Closer to the water if we go on the other side of these, because these are all going to be ridges, harsh ridges.
I know when we
So
get
if we try this, there might be some
Ruffles
low.
have ridges. I love Ruffles. I know. Shubies are here, dude. God, hotel. You're just a sea of folks.
Oh shit! This whole time.
There's more people here?
Yeah, we're over here like, oh, these people showing up and burning the spot out. We're one dune over.
Lost for days. Lost for days. Yeah, the train is it.
I don't think he'll clear it.
Yep. Oh, best one yet.
All right.
That's it. We got it.
I haven't felt like that in a long time.
I hope you can see my phone just float up in window frame and then back down.
This jump's got a little too much distance for how heavy the truck is, for sure. But that was fun. Worked great. We're alive still. He said it was okay.
Yeah.
All right, Dylan and I are now a few inches shorter, but we're to jump number 2. Nobody else is going to jump this but Lauren, so we're here to just judge Lauren.
Yeah, very good jump. Nice jump, Nick. Good job.
we all need bacchiotomies. Oh, but in the leg, down in front. Oh! And all right, jump number 1. First judge jump of the day. And my biggest fear. There's no way.
That's a 9.5.
That's a hard pass for us.
4 tires, but
Dylan, have you ever had that? Have you ever had that nightmare where you're riding your dirt bike and you just jump off a dune into nothing?
and have you ever had the one where you keep going up?
That's this. This is the nothing. That's terrifying.
He sent an email while I was up there.
Yeah. He re-upped his life insurance. That shit was wild.
Third impression, Nick, since you've driven this all day now.
This truck is really, really fun, and I still don't understand how they let us do this. This is insane. It was cool, like, the confidence to be able to actually rip through the dunes and stuff like that is really cool. Like, obviously it's 4-wheel drive, so that's helpful, but then you have the suspension, like travel, and the damping, and everything you need to really control yourself as you're going through things, and you're not worried about blowing the fenders off. So it was definitely cool. I don't think I really want to go any faster.
Nah,
in
that's
something like
perfect.
that. It's perfect.
It was perfect. I'm really impressed. I don't know these as well as Nick does, but
Good job, Fox.
We're a foot to the floor. Yeah. 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 No. Oh God. We just hit the bump stop so hard, we didn't skip the CD. Later, nerd.
You go in these trees?
Yeah, I'm down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You have no business being here.
I'm so bad at this. Watch how fast I can drive this thing.
Into the grass! Hey, Nick Eisenhower here. I'm gonna total everyone's vehicles.
That's not me.
Are you gonna blast the jump right now, or are you gonna wait?
Oh God.
There it is. Nice, Nick. Hell yeah.
Turn the locker on.
Rocker?
Locker.
Alright, I might be stuck. We're out of washer fluid, that's probably the issue. The washer fluid's low, I need to add washer fluid. Yeah, this thing's way different than anything I've ever driven.
Way to blow out the lip.
Sure hope nobody blows it out. Vaughn. Lauren.
There we go.
That thing's sick.
that's a wrap here at Dune Fest. We had an awesome time out here. The whole crew had a blast. A little bit out of our element in the sand, but it was a ton of fun. We're gonna take it up north though. Go hit some trails, hit some rocks, get into the trees a little bit more, and you won't wanna miss that. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one.